नमस्कार दोस्तों, IITN पढ़ाई वाला यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज गेट 2024 के नोटिफिकेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। ग्रेजुएट एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट इन इंजीनियरिंग 2024 का नोटिफिकेशन जारी कर दिया गया है और इस बार गेट इज़ बीइंग कंडक्टेड बाय द इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंसेस बेंगलोर। और इसमें गेट बेसिकली अंडर ग्रेजुएट सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए जो होता है, दिस इंक्लूड द इंजीनियरिंग, टेक्नोलॉजी, साइंस, आर्किटेक्चर एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज़। दिस गेट 2024 is being conducted by IISc Bangalore. However, it is being conducted by 7 IITs and IISc Bangalore on rotation basis on behalf of the National Coordination Board, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India. And this year the GATE exam is being conducted by IISc Bangalore. The candidate opportunities for the GATE qualified candidates. The candidates who qualify in GATE can seek admission with possible financial assistance to MTech programs and direct doctoral programs in engineering, technology, architecture, science and humanities, and doctoral programs in relevant branches of engineering, science and humanities in institutions supported by Ministry of Education and other government agencies. GATE score is also used by some colleges and institutions for admission to postgraduate programs without MOE scholarship. And public sector undertakings are also recruiting through the GATE score. Therefore, GATE 2024 score is important specifically for the engineering students. This year, GATE is conducted for 30 papers. The GATE 2024 test papers and syllabus are as under. The branches which are normally included in the previous year GATE are also included in this year GATE, and one new branch is included which is related to data science and artificial intelligence, and this is a new branch and its code is DA, and code for other branches are similar to the previous year GATE exam, such as, let us suppose that this is the electrical engineering branch. For this the code is EE, and you can go through these test papers and see the code and fill these codes properly while filling your application for the GATE 2024. Question pattern paper, mode of the examination will be in English and it will be conducted through computer based test. And in the selected city, duration will be 3 hours. Number of subject papers are 3 this year. Section general aptitude plus candidate selected subjects. Type of questions say 3 types of questions will be asked in these papers. First one is multiple choice question, second is multiple select questions, and numerical. Third one is numerical answer type NAT questions. Questions for testing these abilities include recall, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis. Distribution of marks in all papers except papers including these codes are general aptitude 15 marks, engineering mathematics 13 and subject 72, total are 100. And for these second AR, CY, DA, EY, GG, MA, PH, ST, XH and XL codes, general aptitude will be of 15 marks and subject questions will be 85 marks, total questions will be 100 marks. Marking scheme, questions carry 1 mark or 2 marks. Negative marking for multiple choice questions, there will be negative marking, and for NAT questions there will be no negative marking. Paper codes and general aptitudes, you can also go through these codes and see your examination pattern for a particular subject through the codes of a particular subject. So you can see the code and respective information. GATE 2024 consists of 2 paper combinations. You can take 2 papers at the most, or you can also take 1 paper, and combination is given here. Let us suppose that we can discuss one. EE is electrical engineering. For along with the electrical engineering, you can take the DA which is introduced this year, EC, instrumentation and physics. Similarly, for other paper combinations, you can see in the first column where code of the first paper and code of the second paper, these papers are allowed along with the first paper. Examination schedule for GATE 2024. Examination will be conducted on 4 days. First is Saturday, 3rd February 2024. Second day is Sunday, 4th February 2024. And next is Saturday, 10th February 2024 and Sunday, 11th February 2024. On each day, there will be 2 slots. First is for forenoon session, 9:30 to 12:30, and for afternoon session timing will be 2:30 to 5:30. And the schedule of the papers will be announced later on. So continuously keep on watching the website of the GATE 2024. From here you can download the question papers for previous year. You can select from this drop down and select the year for which you want to see the question paper. Information brochure for GATE 2024 will be uploaded soon, and poster newspaper advertisement for GATE will also be available soon, and both Hindi and English version. You can also see the history of the GATE. GATE was first conducted in 1983, and after that GATE is continuously conducted every year. Again, opportunities we have already discussed briefly for the post-graduation courses, doctoral courses, and for recruitment in public sector undertakings. And for GATE qualified candidates, you have scholarships, means financial assistance for the master's program as well as doctoral's program in engineering, technology, science, architecture and humanities in the institutes of different institutes. For the PG scholarship, you will get 12,400 per month, generally for 22 months. Or for PhD programs, you will get scholarship for 37,000 for first 2 years and 42,000 for the 3rd to 5th years. And these are the important PSUs which are recruiting through the GATE score. So in the 2024, the PSUs which will recruit through the GATE score are listed here. So you can go through these names of the PSUs, and these are the important PSUs of the government of India. Exam cities are given in different zones of all the 8 zones of the IIT. So you can see your exam center by seeking particular zone in which you are your regional territory is available. You can see the eligibility criteria. In general, the students in the 3rd year or higher years of any graduate programs can apply for GATE 2024. So students are currently in the academic session 23 and 24 are in the 3rd year can apply for the GATE 2024, and final year students can also apply, as well as pass out students can also apply for the GATE examination. You can also go through this step for the required documents to apply for the GATE, and you can see the instructions before applying to the GATE carefully, and keep on watching continuously the website of GATE 2024, gate2024.iisc.ac.in. Application fee for female candidates, SC, ST and PWD, per test paper it will be 900, and during the extended normal period, that is 24th August to 29th September is 900, and extended period is 30th September to 13th October, it is 1400, and for all other candidates it is 1800 in the normal period, and extended period it is 2300. And these are the additional information for which you can see these information, and if it is at any stage, if it is required, then you can take the exam accordingly. Next, contact. You can contact between 10 to 1 and 2 to 5:30 p.m. on government working days. The information on respective zone gate office. The contact number and email IDs are given, so you can also drop the email ID or you can also contact on the phone on the government working days. So keep on watching the website of the GATE 2024 for further updates, and also you can watch regularly the ITN Padaiwala YouTube channel, where we are uploading the videos related to the mental ability or general mental ability, which is also useful for the GATE aspirants 2024. Thank you so much.